How to fix sorry. An error occurred. Email not allowed on Telegram. Are you trying to sign in or register for Telegram only to be blocked by the frustrating email not allowed error? In 2026, Telegram has tightened its security measures, and this error often triggers when the system suspects automated activity or doesn't trust your email provider. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 most effective ways to bypass this error and get your account verified in seconds. First, the most common fix is switching your email provider. Telegram's filters have become very strict against Outlook, Yahoo, and temporary disposable email services. If you're using one of those, try switching to a standard Gmail address. Many users find that the error disappears instantly when using a Google account. If you're already using Gmail and it still fails, try the official source fix. Uninstall the version of Telegram you got from the Play Store or App Store. And download the Telegram app directly from Telegram's official website. The direct version often has fewer restrictions and updated connection protocols that can resolve verification glitches. If those steps don't work, your IP address or device session might be flagged. To fix this, turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data, or use a trusted VPN to change your virtual location. Then, clear your app cache by going to Settings, Apps, Telegram Storage, and tapping Clear Cache. Once you've done this, try the login process again. In many cases, simply waiting 24 hours allows the temporary email not allowed flag to expire on its own, so if you're not in a rush, a little patience can go a long way. Here is an expert pro tip. If you are an advanced user or developer using third-party libraries like Telethon or TDlib, and you keep getting this error, it's likely because you aren't maintaining a persistent session file. Every time you run a script without a saved session, Telegram sees it as a new suspicious login. Make sure your script is configured to save and reuse your .session file to stay under the radar. Now you know how to conquer the email not allowed error and get back to your chats. If these steps worked for you, hit the like button and subscribe for more 2026 Telegram troubleshooting. Which fix worked for you, switching to Gmail or downloading the official app? Let me know in the comments.